Hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, guys, I will be showing you how to push your Visual Studio Code inside of your GitHub profile. So, first of all, guys, I will show you first how to install Visual Studio Code, which is simply go to your browser and then go to the URL section and search for Visual Studio Code. So here we go. Sorry guys, so here we go, and from here, guys, all we need to do is click on this link, which is the first link. And simply, guys, don't make a confusion between this logo and the second logo, because this one is for Visual Studio and the other is for Visual Studio Code. Now let's go back to this website. So basically, all you need to do is click here to download it for Windows, here for Mac OS, and here for Linux. Pretty simple. So after that, you just have to install it on your PC, which is actually pretty simple and fast. And all you need to do after that is just go ahead and choose the language that you want to actually start working with. So now for you, in order to start doing or pushing your stuff into like GitHub, all you need to do is, first of all, we need to create a new project. So we just have to go to here. Let me just close all of these, and basically let's make, for example, a folder which called project. As you can see, I have project here, so let me just create a new one. Here we go, project 2. And basically what I'm going to do is go to Visual Studio Code and click on open folder, and then I will choose project 2, select folder. Now as you can see, it will be selected. Now all I need to do is actually go here and add files, whatever files I want to add. So for example, HTML, CSS, .css, for example. Here we go, and yeah, just keep coding, and by the end they will be saved in this folder over here, which is project 2. So these are the folders. After that, what you need to do is go ahead, new, and make WinRZip, name it, and then put the project 2 inside of it. After that, let's go ahead to your GitHub account. So here we go, github.com. Let's remove all of this, and basically that's all you need to do is sign into your account, and just like so. If you don't have an account, you can create it from here. So you just click here to create a new account. Here, as you can see, we'll come to here. So here, for example, I can put my email. So here we go. For example, let's make something around that, and it's gonna be pretty simple, pretty fast. So here we go. And after that, you just have to click on continue. Here you put your password, which is as well very fast. Here we go, continue, and here our username. So here we go, and let's make it 0. Okay, so continue. And would you like to receive updates? No, continue. And please solve this start puzzle. So let's start a puzzle, identical objects. So let's find these, and now we must find something else. So here we go, and just like so, we have created our account in GitHub. So now what we need to do is click on create an account, and after that you will receive a code in your email, so you need to get it. It is pretty simple, guys. So let me just tap the code real quick. Here we go. So 14687 and here we go. Now we created our account. So students, just me, continue, and we can just skip it actually. So let's skip personalization, and here you go, guys. Now we can go to GitHub, and eventually you can start pushing your folders in here. So here you can create repository and import your stuff and put it in here. So yeah, guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, and thank you for watching.